Welcome. Now, this is a very interesting problem for finding the relative speed. Now, there are two trains coming in from opposite direction. The question asks how long would it take to completely cross? So, we know speed is equal to distance upon time. Now, in this question, we have to identify the time, that means distance by speed. Now, when the trains are coming from opposite direction, what would be the distance? Distance would be the length of the two trains combined. So, we'll add the length of the two trains, that is 120 and 80, that is 200 meters. The trains are coming in opposite direction, so speed would again combine, so it would be 50 plus 40, that is 90 kilometers per hour. Now we'll convert the kilometers per hour to meter per second, since the length of the train is in meter per second. So converting that 90 into meter per second is 90 into 5 by 18, so we get 25. Now 25 is the speed, 200 is the distance. So speed is, we have to find out the time. Time is equal to distance by speed, so that is 200 by 25, that makes it 8. Now so the correct answer here would be 8. Let's understand how this would work. So as you can see, two trains are coming and we have the timer that starts in. Now as it crosses, see this carefully, the total length of the train is combined and the total speed is combined, and we have the distance that comes up as 8 seconds. So this is just a way to help you explain how the trains would cross. In the next session we'll take another example where two trains are running parallel to one another. In that case we won't do the addition. So let's see how it works. Now with the visualization, that becomes very clear that why and how we are adding the counts. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. If you have any questions or queries, press the comment button below for more information. Thank you.